Come on. Oh, what are you going to eat? Then find something. Eat something in there. All right. So, oh, good. She looks good. She looks like she needs to be seated some more. Let me take this off. Is she on there right? I feel like she should be seated some more. All right, well, this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. This is it. We are ready. She's tied down. We had that noise for a while. But as I'm going forward, let me see if I can just fix this right quick. Tuck that plastic in. Yep. Oh, good. All right. She's all tucked in. All right, so I have that noise. Good. All right, that's her. That's her. She is. All right, let me go pick up my tools. He looked loose. Oh my goodness. I need to tighten him. And how did he come loose? Oh, maybe he's supposed to be out here. Nope, I don't want him that low. Ah, this, what? I'm not even on the road. I gotta fix that. And that was the orange one, right? Coming this way? Yeah, this is it. This is that orange one. And it's loose. Did it? Oh, it must have come up some. Oh, all right. All right, well, that's how she'll be riding. So let me clean up this mess. We are done. Okay. All right, this is the walkthrough. My video recording of my finished unit. Bathroom. And lights work. Dryer. Garage. Garage. Hallway. Oh, left those nails in. Oh, and they need a screwdriver. All right. Oh, look at all this I left. Oh, thought it was paused. Anyway, that door's now fixed. Oh, and this. Well, I gotta go by the trash. All right. So, upstairs, walls repaired. Oh, I left those hooks. Well, if she says something, I'll remove them. But for now, how did I leave this in there? All right. 3/23, September 9th. September 8th. Oh. living room. Oh, I'm not gonna feel like coming these stairs room. Oh. Yeah, no, that's under there. No, that's under there. I think this head can come out. Oh. All right. Okay. All right, that is that. All right, so this is the truck. It's loaded down. And specs moving. And trailer locks. Everything, safety chains, electricity, everything looks okay. The hitch looks high. Oh, no, it doesn't. Looks good. And I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Oh, the straps. Oh, I needed to tighten this strap. I don't know why it came loose. But what is going on? All right, let me tighten this. Okay, oh, I think I had it up here. It came down. Yep, it came down. All right, now it's tighter. Yeah. All right, so that's up. Oh, that's water. I don't want water getting in there. It's up. Everything else is definitely tighter than this one. All right, this is via the car. All the gadgets, windows halfway up because I had stuff on both sides, tires, and we are leaving the house. This is Charlotte and I leaving unit 105.
You know, Grandmommy.
We go to Grandmommy, tell her bye in Lexington Park, Maryland. Starting the journey to West El Paso, Texas. Eventually, it's 4:20 p.m. on September 8th. I got the trailer in tow. Let's see. The phone. Let the phone go. Yep. All right. The trailer in tow. These kids. I'm gonna let this car go. Yep. All right. That's us leaving. No, can't go fast. We're at the trailer.
What?
Speed bump. Speed bump. Oh, y'all, just that quick. Forgot. Just that quick. Forgot the trailer was back there. Just that quick. Let's get through. So actually, we're not really starting. Oop, 1 axle. 2 axle. 3 axle. Everything is still attached. All right, I'm gonna get out and check as I leave my neighborhood. But that's it. We're headed to Grandmommy's. All right, this is the trailer. Headed to Grandmommy's now. So we'll be here for about an hour. It's September 8th at 4:56 p.m. We'll probably leave here about 6. Drive for about an hour, and then till sunset. Pull over at the major gas station and rest for the night and drive at sunrise. All right, Monday, September 8th at 6:10 p.m. We at the trailer. Sophia and I are leaving Grandmommy's.
I'm going to the airport.
Airport.
Yeah, the airport.
No airport. But
Yes, we are.
we are officially leaving Grandmother's in Lexington Park, and we are headed to AutoZone to get the window blackouts, because tonight I'll be sleeping in a Pilot gas station about an hour from here, which I'm gonna try to get to right around sunset. But we're riding good. I had to go across that Virginia bridge. Parked on a hill. The trailer is still there. Ooh. Yeah, the trailer is still there. Pulled me back a little. RPMs didn't get too high. We have left Grandmommy's and we are out. So we are driving to, first leg's just driving for an hour tonight to sunset, because I don't want to drive after sunset. And I don't want to drive in the dark with the trailer. And that's it. All right, it's official, 6:10 p.m. September 8th. Great. Pull up into this AutoZone.
Where are you going to?
Pulling up into AutoZone.
You said going to the airport.
No, I'm not going to the airport.
Yes, we are.
Let's see how I'm parked with this trailer. Nope, not enough room. Let me try it again. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at me. Turn this trailer and line her up.
No, they're mine.
All right, yep, they're lined. So now we are pulling in right here.
No parking.
We're parking. Let's go get some shade.
The way. Ow.
All right, we got some shades for the windows for us to sleep tonight, I think. Oh, an umbrella shade. It come with all this. Charlotte? Umbrella sunshade. It folds up nice, but what's all this sticking out in the front? How am I supposed? All right, let's figure this out, or I'm gonna take it back. I can't figure it out. Okay, well, does it open? This is just doing too much. Okay. Let's Velcro that.
Mom, I want.
Oh.
Mom, it's a don't walk. It's don't walk, Mom.
How does it lock? All right. Oh, apparently my car's window, well, look, it's all bent right there, but I like it. It's enough. It's getting the job done, and it definitely is tight. It's not gonna fall. All right, and that's all I need. That'll be good enough. And then, yep, that'll be good enough. All right, it's already dark in here. Let's see about this. Past this side window. This is this one. Easy to install. You're not trying to install anything. Oh my goodness. All right. So I need to do something permanent. We're not doing permanent. I guess that's why it's called passenger. Oh, that doesn't block anything. Oh no, no, this isn't what we were looking for. We're taking this back like right now. Oops. How to roll it back up. Oops. Yeah, that doesn't block any sun or anything. And I'm not looking for something permanent. So we're gonna take this right back in there to them, do an exchange, see if they got some other type of side ones. All right, another official, we're leaving. So we just left AutoZone. We got the front. I don't have one for the front sides. The back is tinted, but it is now September 8th at 6:37 p.m. Seatbelt on, phone is charging. Sophia is chilling with her feet up. And I need to roll down some windows and let some air in here. Put my phone somewhere to charge. The max, if y'all could just see inside of this car. That's it. So sunset is at 7:23, 7:20ish today. I am going to see about driving an hour past sunset to 8:20 p.m., which is the second pilot station. You can't be pulling out there no more.
Where?
So the second pilot station. Let me go ahead and get in left lane since I'll be in the left lane. I'm comfortable at 40. On the express, I need to go a little higher. With the trailer, I'm comfortable at 40. Without the trailer, I'm comfortable at 50. So I'm gonna try to stay with 50 to 60 range while driving. But now, let's go. We got a big bridge to cross. So now we're pulling up a little hill. RPM's up at 2,000. All right, so it's just, let me see. It's there we go. Fell down and rested at 1100. That's what I'm watching. My RPMs, my pool. But all right, 2 hours. It's 6:39, and we'll see you along the way. The moment I pull into Flying J Pilot, the chain and everything kept it on. So thank God for the safety chains, the lock, but it just, the trailer just, and it dragged. You can see, I thought somebody had hit me. But nonetheless, it's nicely seated on there now, where I questioned it before. The whole head is now on there. Something was lagging it. And my light is off. And I'm pulled out. Oh, here. So I had to fix that. And then it's on there now. Thank God for safety chains down here. Make sure they're still good, because they caught this trailer for real. They caught that trailer. All right, well, we're in the parking spot. In the parking spot. Everything is good. Everything is good. On that. All right, we're resting tonight. That's not sliding. Good. All right, just that light. Okay. Safety chains, security, lights. All right, lights. All right, everything looks good. We are going to rest. Get us. All right. All right, so this is it. I had 2 pillows wrapped up.
Yeah!
And I can stretch out fully.
I'm a picture stinky.
And Sophia's gonna lay on my chest.
Mr. Picture
And I'm gonna
stinky.
crack the windows for air circulation for me and her. Or I can crack that one. Open that window back there, Sophia. Open it just a little bit. Is it open? Let me see. No, open it a little more. It's not opening. You need help?
Yes.
There we are.
Hi. Too much.
Yeah, just a little bit.
No, it's much.
That's enough?
Yeah, not too many.
Open. All right. My feet.
Oh,
goodness. Oh, y'all, who needs a hotel? We got this. Who needs a hotel? We got this.
I want to
The
jump.
black curtain here. So, all right,
I
that's
want
it.
to
All right,
jump.
this is our nightlife tonight. We got the window back there cracked open. We got that passenger side. Oh, I need to crack that one.
That's right.
Crack that window some for air circulation. You know, airflow. Keep airflow. I just got a hoodie right here behind us. Black shades, curtain. All right. Oh, I gotta cut the car off. Let me remove the keys. Set them up there. All right, Sophia, come on. It's gonna get dark in here. Where are those lights on? That door's locked? Oh, no, stop. Door's locked now. All right, Sophia, come on. Yep. You come and sleep on mommy. All right. So,
Mommy, turn off the light.
cut off the light, cut off the light, or we're going to bed.
Ah.
This is it. Good night, guys. It's
Good night.
9:55 p.m. on September 8th,
That's
2025.
right.
First night, sleeping in the truck, headed to El Paso, Texas. We are at the Pilot, north of Richmond. All right, Richmond, Virginia. Good night, guys. Bye.
Bye, bye. Cut the mic off. It's too white around here.